Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to BSG News. I'm your host Monica Chauhan, and let's look at the top stories for tonight. NHK organized the BSD GSD Sir Smart 2.0 training for the unit leaders of KVS state. Arunachal Pradesh state organized a 3-day workshop at Nehra level. Van Mahotsav was celebrated at the Pan India level. State conduct a Tritiya Sopan testing camp. Sir Smart 2.0 training was conducted in the various states. Goa State conduct a refresher course at 13th of July 2024. Kendriya Vidyalaya observed the World Population Day. District Chief Commissioner Mr. Sai Prakashan of Sairam District, Tamil Nadu State visit the Global Support Center, Boston. Now let's move to the brief news. NHQ, the BSD GSD Sir Smart 2.0 unit leader training for Kendriya Vidyalaya Sansthan was conducted online from 11th to 13th of July 2024 and 15th to 17th of July 2024. 4 pm to 6 pm, about 150 unit leaders participated in the training session, led by facilitator Rashi Jain, Bless John and Ria Kanjojia, along with the project coordinator Jayashi Wagmare. On the final day, Ms. Darshana Pavaskar, the director of Bharat Scout and Guides, shared the closing remark of engaged to discussion with unit leaders. State news. Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh state organized a 3-day workshop for the 23 district trainers and organizer at the State Training Center, Nehragun, Itanagar from 8th to 10th of July 2024. The state headquarters has imposed interest especially on the completion of OYMS registration apart from the regular activities. Shri Alirendra Sharma, Assistant Director of BSG, was present as the resource person for the workshop. Mr. Seal Wang, State Organization Commissioner G, conducted the workshop. Shri Alirendra Sharma, Assistant Director, had a productive visit at the Director of Secondary Education, Government of Arunachal Pradesh in Itanagar on 11th of July 2024 and visit Shri Markan Konu, State Chief Commissioner, the Director of Secondary Education. He also met Mr. Sukun Singh, Youth Welfare Officer, Government Arunachal Pradesh, along with the state officers. Bihar. Member of Farbizganj Araria District Association of the Bihar State Bharat Scout and Guides organized a Van Mahotsav program on the Sunday. This event was held under the Climax Leader Action Plan project. Scout and Guides planted the tree and promoted awareness by carrying related banners. Tej Bahadur Singh, Vice President of the Araria District and Principal of Lee Academy, along with the DOC and other members, were present. Central Railway. The Nagpur Division of Central Railway State conduct a district-level 2-day camp on Tritiya Sopan and Nipun pre-testing camp at the Railway Institute in Wridha, Maharashtra from 13th to 14th of July 2024. The camp was organized under the guidance of Divisional Railway Manager Shri Rupesh Chandekar, District Chief Commissioner, and the conduct by DOC Scout and DOC Guide. A total 75 members from Nagpur, Anjani, Balasha and Vradha attend the camp. Chhattisgarh. Under the instructions of Dr. Shri Somnath Yadav, State Chief Commissioner of Chhattisgarh State, continues a tree plantation drive being conducted all the district guides from Maharishi Vidya Mandir, Raipur. They are actively raising awareness and distributing free saplings to encourage community to participate in the tree plantations. Sir Smart 2.0 was conducted by the Korba District Association on the 14th of July 2024 at the Sunrise English Medium School, Rampur. The workshop was coordinated by the Guide Captain Pushpa Sandhlia, DOC Uttar Manikanpur and Dingambar Singh Kaushik. East Central Railway. On 11th of July 2024, member of Mother Teresa Guide Company, Deen Dayal Upadhyay District Association of East Central State organized an awareness program. Senior Divisional Personnel Officer Shri Surjit Singh, District Commissioner of Scout, and Divisional Personnel Officer Shri Jas Kumar, Assistant of Secretary, flagged off the rally. 40 members of participated in the rally, holding placard and conducting the street play on the issue of overpopulation. Eastern Railway. Member of Eastern Railway celebrate the Van Mahotsav on 14th of July 2024. A group of 150 Cubs, Bulbul Scout, Guide, Rover, Ranger and their parents took a part of the route march and covered the 4-kilometer included railway. Goa. Saliket District Association of Goa State hosted refresher course for Scout Master and Guide Captain at Holy Spirit Church Hall on the 13th of July 2024. 37 unit leaders of various schools attended the program. State Chief Commissioner P.R. Nandkarni delivered a motivational speech urging the Scout Master and Scout Captain to inspire Scout and Guide to achieve their goals. Mr. James Fernandes, State Secretary, took a session of Rajya Puraskar syllabus. Haryana. Member of Bhishma and Jhansi Open Group of Kaithal District, Haryana, along with the members of ISGF, conduct a plantation drive and cleaning the area of Sri Ravidas Dharamshala. Member of Bhatigarh Rover Crew prepare a 51 bird feeder and place them in the public area. Additionally, member of DAV Public School Police Line Panipat organized a World Population Day on July 11th of 2024. Himachal Pradesh BSG Sir Smart 2.0 training was organized by Himachal Pradesh State on 4th of July at GUSSS Chota Shimla. 27 Scout and 24 Guide participated in this training. Members of Hamirpur participated in Van Mahotsav under the leadership of Sri Naresh Kumar, Scout Master. They planted 10 amla, 5 neem and other saplings. Member of Panchayat, BLO and village residents were present. Karnataka. The Dharwad district of Karnataka state organized a workshop on 8 July 2024 for the Dharwad, Belagavi, Hevri, Gadag, Sirsi, Vijaypura and Begalkota district and the local association of BRS along with the education department officer at the district headquarters in Dharwad. Shri V.V. Kati, Vice President of Dharwad President over the workshop, Srimati B.V. Ramnatha, State Commissioner Guide, Adult Resource, inaugurate the workshop by lighting the lamp. Shri P. G.R. Sindhya, State Chief Commissioner, released the annual program booklet for the year 2024 and 25. Vengara District Association of Kerala State hosted a Sir Smart 2.0 unit level workshop at IUHSS Parampur on 13th of July 2024 under the leadership of National Trainer Dhanush Janardhan. The event saw the enthusiastic participation the over 100 attendees and unit leaders. KVS Various Kendriya Vidyalaya celebrated World Population Day on 11th of July 2024. Scout and Guide participated in the awareness campaign and attended an educational informative session. They also took a participate in easy writing, painting, slogan writing, quiz on a population growth, debate, etc. School like a KV Barabanki, Ajmer, Lansdowne, Kausani, Babli Bagpat, Chhindwara, Upper Shillong, Kanika, Lagbandi Bagh, Barabanki, etc. activity participated. Madhya Pradesh. Under the instructions of DEO Indore, the beginner course was organized at the Excellent School Saver Indore under the leadership of Shri Pramod Gangrare, ALT Scout, member of EVA Scout Group. Indore conducted a counseling session for 9th grade students to encourage them to join the Scout and Guiding under the leadership of Shri Bhupendra Gajjar. On the 16th of July, the Indore District Counseling meeting was conducted under the chairmanship of Shri Gulab Sharma, former Magistrate of District Chief Commissioner. Northeastern Railway, member of Ijat Nagar District, Northeastern Railway planted around 300 guava, blackberry, teak, people, neem and paga tree under the guidance of the District Secretary and DOC at Kutir Road number 4, Road number 8, Railway Dispensary. Under the instructions of the Senior Divisional Security Officer, Srimati Neetu member organized a street play at Fatehgarh Station for the rail security, encouraging others follow safety measures and such a refraining from smoking on the train, using emergency brake only when it's necessary, and respecting designation area for disabled people. Northern Railway, member of Press Scout Group of Northern Railway, took a part of plantation program at Railway Colony, Sakurbazi and Punjabi Bagh on 11th of July 2024. About 60 Scout, Rover and unit leader participated in the drive under the leadership of Devendra Kumar, District Secretary. NVS Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti conduct a Tritiya Sopan training and testing camp at PM Shri Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Sasner and Agarmalwa from 15th to 9th of July 2024 under the leadership of Shri R.S.Y. Yadav Scout Wing and Miss Geeta Dubey Guide Wing. 77 Guide and 78 Scouts from 11 school and Ujjain Coastal participated in the camp. Punjab. Cubs Bulbul Scout Guide and leader participated in Van Mahotsav at Government Primary School, Rugra Kala, Girls Jalandhar, Punjab on 5th of July 2024. The program was conducted under the guidance of Shri Omkar Singh, SOCS and Shri Hemant Kumar, STCS. All the members planted tree on the school premises. Rajasthan. The Chittorgarh District Association organized a district level secretary joint secretary meeting at SHQ Baden Powell, Chittorgarh under the chairmanship of the district education officer. The guidance of Kasturba Gandhi Balya, the residential school, planted a more than 1500 plants on their premises as a part of target to plant 3907 trees under the leadership of Head Minister Mrs. Meera Mukherjee. 7 rangers and 4 rovers provide their service at the Jagannath Mela held in Rajkot Post Graduate College, Jagannath, Alwar from the July 8 to 15th of July 2024. A beginner course was organized by the Sorahi District Association under the guidance of Hiral Mili, District Education Officer. South Eastern Railway, member of Adra District Association of South Eastern Railway, provide their services in a return Rath Yatra on 15th of July 2024. Southern Railway. Southern Railway State Headquarters organized the enrollment meeting at DSL Shell GOC on 15th of July 2024 for the railway employee to encourage the membership by enrolling the employee at their works in the Scout and Guides movement. District level membership growth co-coordinator meeting was held at YTC GOC. The meet was inaugurated by DCC GOC District Shri Nandakumar De CMM GOC. Tamil Nadu. Training for Pravesh Pratham Sopan and Dritiya Sopan of Tiruvattarpur district was conducted from 8th to 12th of July 2024 at Government HS School. On the commemoration of World Youth Skills Day, Siaram District Chairman and CEO District Chief Commissioner Mr. Sai Prakashan and CIO District Commissioner of Scout Mr. Naresh Raj visited the Scout Global Support Center, WASM, in Malaysia. Chennai City CBSE School District conduct a CCHP test camp at KV Bharati Vidyalaya, Tiruvanthiyur on 12th to 13th. 279 Cub and Bulbul and 36 Cub Masters and Flock Leaders have participated. Tripura. Members of Tripura State engaging the service activity in traditional Thayachi Puja on 13th of July 2024 at 14 Deities Temple in Agartala. Chandigarh. Member of UT Chandigarh State Bhar Scout and Guides celebrate Tulsi Plantation Drive under the Project Lab. The celebration of Van Mahotsav was celebrated from 1st to 8th July 2024. More than 320 Scout and Guides and unit leaders participated in the plantation drive. Uttarakhand State organized a training camp at the State Training Center Bhopal Pani Dehradun from 12th to 14th of July 2024. State Commissioner of Guide Ms. Vanna Garbyal and State Secretary Shri Ravindra Mohan Kala and other officials provide their training to 40-member 4-Governor Award Guide of Almoda District did the plantation at the 16th of July on the occasion of Hela Festival. Now let's move to the new estimate circular. Circular number 99. Golden Era Award for year 2024. Circular number 140. Releasing of activity pack on adolescent health harmony. Circular number 160. Monsoon miracles. Seed balls on combat climate change. Circular number 180. Activity pack for the International Day of Peace celebration on 21st September 2024. Circular number 190. National Training of Trainers for Youth Lead Action on Climate Change. Circular number 121. Coordinatum of Circular number 119 2024 National Training Trainers for YLACC. Circular number 122. Basic Course for Venture Leaders. Circular number 123. Celebration of Independence Day 2024. Circular number 24. Celebration of International Youth Day 2024. Circular number 125. Gentle reminder. Submission of annual census membership data for the year 2023 and 2024. Circular number 126. Participation in the National Student Paryavaran Competitions. Circular number 127. National Level Community Singing Course for Adult Leaders. Thank you.